Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, I have a bag that I've been waiting to arrive since I ordered it. Let's see, what day was it? 2/22. And you know that I've had issues with the post office and everything else, so we finally got it. Let me open it, get it out of the bag. Hang on. Okay, this is from BiggestCraft, and this was not BiggestCraft's, fault at all. Not all, at all. I went to the post office, I think it was on Thursday, and asked about it. Nobody knew where it was at. It wasn't even in their system, blah, blah, blah. I got nothing. And when I looked it up and I contacted BiggestCraft, they said that it had been delivered on the 9th of March and I had never gotten it. So I don't know if it went to the wrong mailbox and somebody finally brought it back or what, but yeah. So here we are. So now this one, I don't know why I got this one. I ordered a different one. So I will find out why, but maybe the other one just wasn't in and they wanted to send this out. So yeah, I will put a picture here. Right, and that way you can see it. It's one of the DIY ones. Comes on a big printed paper. It does have, it's an 11 count, and it's 40 by 50, and that is the product number. And then down at the bottom, it says it's 60 by 203. Now this one has 45 colors, and it's quite pretty. Those flowers sitting there with the seashells around it, so that's kind of cool. It's very light, so it'll be amazing to see what the colors look like. But has a very easy to read pattern. Nice big key on your paper pattern. So that's good. It did, where'd it go? Come with a toolkit. It has 5 needles, a needle threader, a poof ball, and a thimble. And we got another little blossom, if you will. So I'll put that over there. Let's take a look at the colors. By looking at these colors, I would have thought that they would have been lighter. Now it does have the product number and right here. So let's make sure that that matches. Okay. But it just looks like a lighter picture, so I don't know if the picture itself is just light or if the colors were going to be light, but they're not. So we have a hank of 3072 and 452, which is kind of a taupe color. Very pretty. And then we have kind of a grayish green. It is color number 648. Very nice. And we'll just set those aside for a second. They did come packaged separately. I'm liking that. So we have some more light colors. We have some dark blue there. We have a string trying to get in the way. A little bit of gold. And kind of another taupe color. What in the number was that? No. Thought maybe it was the same, but it's not. So 45 pretty colors. Let's take a look at the other thread card if I can get it. Holy cow. Really? Geez, some days. When they're mushed together, they don't want to come apart. They've been together. Doesn't have any product number stickers. Does have some bright greens and bright oranges. Just beautiful colors. And look at that red. Ooh, I don't know what color that is. Let's see. That red is number 7. 321. That is my Christmas red. I always call it Christmas red. But very pretty colors. Nice conglomeration of colors in lights and darks. So it'll be interesting to see how this all stitches up. Let me just roll that up there. And the canvas is serged all the way around. It has how big it is down here, just like the paper. Paper pattern will match this. And there's your, holy cow, it's just a little wide here. Product number and how many centimeters it is. Let's see here. Get out of there, dork. Oh my God, she's found a new window to bark out of. Because I moved all that stuff away from the air conditioner window. So it's 21 inches or 53.5 centimeters. Whoops. Avalanche. By 42.5 centimeters. Or 17 inches. Actual picture size is 36 centimeters by try again. 37 centimeters or 14.5 inches that way, and 47 centimeters this way, or 18.5. So it's close to square, but not, you know, there yet. But very nicely printed. I'll give it that much for not expecting this kit. So it'll be interesting to see how all these colors work together. You know, lights, darks, you know, to make it look like that picture looks washed out. And this does come in a counted or a stamped cross stitch. So if you're looking to get this one, make sure it says stamped and, you know, and the other one says counted on it. So make sure you get that. All right. And that was $8.99. And this one is called Ancient Girl Peony. It is a 40 by 50 and it was $7.99. Let me get it out of the bag here. Of course, this tape's coming off. Seriously, you're going to stick to my hands, but you wouldn't stick to the plastic. Oh my goodness, some days, guys, some days. But, and this is kind of lightly printed, but isn't she cute? So this goes along with that whole other, I think I've got 3 now, I think. So I don't know how many there are in total, but she got little bunnies and little peonies, yeah, and little birds. I just thought it was cute. I like them. And they're just kind of whimsical, you know. You just got to have whimsical every once in a while. So, let's see what the pattern looks like. It has 30 colors. Now this one has the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square across the top. It is an 11 count as well. It does have the colors running down the side. So, very nice. But it would probably have to be blown up if I was going to use this for any period of time. So you can see it's a lot smaller than that last one. But yeah. So, no 310. Yay. No 823. No 939. We do have 3371, which is a dark brown. And no 3865, which is a white off-white color. So let's take a look at these. This does say 2380 here, and that's the product number, 2380. Sometimes they write it with marker, you know, so they know what they're doing. But beautiful, beautiful colors. Just absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Yep. And there's not too much of that dark brown. It's, well, that's attractive. Hold that thought. They accidentally looped it in there and didn't get it on there, so we'll put it where it belongs. Hold that thought. There will be a hot moment. I could just get a hold of the darn thing. There was 2 extra strands. that accidentally got in with the green. Oh, well, and now you're going to be a pain. Okay, hold that thought. More moments. Moments, moments, moments. Hang tight. We're almost there. Oh my goodness. There we go. Hang on. We'll get it fixed here in a hot moment. There are no extra skeins with this. This is a full coverage as well. But look at those colors. Aren't they just something else? Look at that coral. Then you have a pale, pale pink. You have some kind of a peachy color. You have more pale pink down here. I'm assuming that's for the flowers. And of course I have a little bit of dark in them too. But yes, very, very nice. Love them. Love them all. So let's roll that up and take a look at the canvas. The canvas is not serged all the way around. Like I said, it does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. And this is going to be a little confettied, just a bit. But it does have a nice big key running along the side so you can see all the symbols. There are 2 needles here. There was no toolkit or anything. But very easy to see and see all the symbols. Nice and clear. Just lovely. I'm trying not... There we go. Sometimes you just got to get some color or make it 2 instead of just 1 layer of fabric for you to see it. But very nicely printed. So for what was that, $8.99? No, $7.99. So very nice. And I like these little kits. They're very nice. Now the next one. Okay. I'm just gonna pull it out of the bag. It's a Joy Sunday, or a Joy Sunday wannabe. Hold that thought. Pull it. Oh. So, you remember when I got this and it was counted and I went, oh no. Yeah. Well, I reordered it from someplace else. I don't know if I got it from that company or not. Or from the same company or not. I can't even remember right now. But this is pre-printed. So, yeah. Very nice. Comes with a nice booklet. It has lots of back stitching. I'm trying to find the color deal. Here we go. It has 43 colors. It has full stitch, back stitch, and French knot. The pattern is broke down into 9 different parts. So, very nice. But the piece de la resistance is it's printed. Yay! I'm so excited. You have no idea. I love this. I think it was either Desert Owl Crafting or Diamond Painting Effects with Corey that had this, and I had to have it. So I ordered it, and I wasn't even thinking about it, and yeah, it was counted. So look for that in a giveaway. Okay, this comes with 2 needles. And very beautiful, beautiful threads. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Look at those bright, shiny colors. Just all summery and everything and all. Oh, look at that orangish red. Oh my goodness. And that looks like some more of that 321. You have a little bit of 310 black. This is a 14 count. And it is 38 by 49. We may have to start this today. Because I've loved this ever since I saw it. Yeah. I just, yep, had to do it. Had to do it. But look at that. Colors just are outstanding. Very soft, nice threads. Let's take a look at the canvas. It's kind of long and skinny, so it does have the product numbers that were on front of the page. It does have its own separate key, so the key in the booklet will not match the canvas. But this is very nice down here. It's very easy to read. and see. It's another thing. I got to put a color behind it. But very easy to see. And it says full stitching, so that all goes down to here. And then you have your dots for your French knots. And these are all your back stitch colors. So there's 3, 6, 9 back stitch colors. There's 4 French knots and 43 regular colors for your cross stitching. Very nicely printed. The back stitching is absolutely going to make this piece. But yeah, and I wanted to start it when I saw it, but dang, I am not doing counted cross stitch. I'm having enough problems with what I got to handle, right? Yeah, so much easier. So much easier. Just gorgeous. Love it. Oh, I forgot to measure it. I'm sorry. I'm losing it. Serged all the way around before I forget to tell you that. It is 49.5 or 19.5 inches that way and 14.5 this way, 37 centimeters, and did I do that right? Yeah, 19.5. All right, so the actual picture size is, hold that thought, about 16 inches or 41 centimeters that way, and 30, oh, pretty close to 30 centimeters or 12 inches that way. But I love this. I just absolutely loved it. And yeah, it reminds me of that Christmas one that I got this past year that has all the little elements, and I think it said Merry Christmas or something. Yeah. So, but this looks a lot easier than that. It's not as, what do you call it? What is the word? I'm going to find it. It's not as confettied as that. This one, you add all these colors, and then you put all that back stitching in, and it'll just bring everything else out. It'll be lovely. So, yeah, I can hardly wait to start on it. And it was $8.99 as well, so very inexpensive. Now, that's it from BiggestCraft. I'm glad I finally got it. They have cross stitch, counted cross, okay. They have stamped cross stitch and counted cross stitch. They have latch hook projects. They have a separate Joy Sunday section. They have a huge, ginormous selection of stitching or no diamond painting. They have punch needle supplies. They have floor stands, cue snaps, all different kinds of things there. And they usually have some kind of a special going on. If they do, I will put it in the description below. And I'm not sure if I have a, what do you call it? Like a discount coupon, you know, for you to use, a discount code, I should say, a coupon. So do check them out. I will have to email them and let them know that I got this package. So, yeah. All right. Thank you, everyone, for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.